Good evening, respected chief guest, honorable guests of honor, esteemed dignitaries, principals from reputed schools, all the lovely family members, beloved parents, my dedicated teachers, and all my lovely students. It fills my heart with immense joy and pride to welcome you all to this grand celebration of our annual showcase. Annual Day is one of the most awaited occasions in the school calendar. It is a day to pause, reflect, and celebrate the year gone by, a year full of learning, creativity, achievements, and memories. True education shapes the mind, refines the heart, and strengthens the character. And today, we gather here to celebrate this very blend, the all round development of our students who have worked hard in every sphere. Success in any form is definitely not an overnight miracle. It is the result of countless hours of dedication of students who stay up late studying hard, of teachers who patiently guides them, and definitely of parents who provide their constant encouragement and support. Every great journey, they say, begins with a guiding light, and for our school, that guiding light has been Sant Sujan Singh Ji Maharaj. Coming from the family of Kirtinians, Maharaj Ji was blessed with a melodious voice and an unending love for Gurbani. At a very young age, Maharaji enjoyed the blessings of Dhan Dhan Baba Nand Singh Ji Maharaj and gained spiritual enlightenment in the form of kirtans. And Baba Nand Singh Ji Maharaj once said, "First we had Mardana, and now we have Sujana." Even today, devotees from far and near come to listen to his kirtans and attain the spiritual bliss. Maharaji's blessings and his values have been the foundation on which this institution stands today. His spirituality continues to inspire all of us, reminding us that true learning is not just about books, but about character, compassion, and most importantly, the service to humanity. The divine teachings of Maharaji were beautifully preserved and carried forward by Sant Gurmukh Singh Ji Maharaj, the youngest son of Sant Sujan Singh Ji Maharaj, because of the immense love and affection that were showered upon him. Everyone fondly called him Daddy Ji. Sant Gurmukh Singh Ji, the worthy, capable, and visionary son of Sant Sujan Singh Ji Maharaj, carried forward his revered father's legacy with profound devotion by establishing this great institution in his honor, thereby transforming the beautiful vision into a living reality for generations to come. At this moment, I also feel honored to introduce the pillars of our institution, the management whose vision, commitment, and leadership has shaped the identity of the school at the present time. Our respected chairman, Sir Sat Prakash Singh Ji, is a visionary leader whose guidance continues to illuminate our path. His far sighted thinking, deep values, and dedication to quality education has laid the strong foundation on which this institution proudly stands. Thank you so much.